Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com.
We'll be taking a look at this MCM model, MCM128S in color code 067. It's a Ruthenium black color frame. On the temples here we have an MCM emblem in silver, and as well the temple tip. This is the inside of the frame. This frame is made in Italy. We have the same on the other temple, emblem on the temple tip, and on the temple. The lenses are a black color. The style of the frame is Fashion Pilot. Up here we have an MCM case to put your glasses in, a microfiber cleaning cloth, and an authenticity booklet.
Thank you for watching. If you want to check out these frames, make sure to check out Eyespecs.com and have a joyful day.